So, have you heard about the meme stock frenzy going on again? Of course you have, which is exactly why you're watching this video and exactly why I'm making this video, because what is going on in the market the last couple days here, yesterday and today, is absolutely ridiculous with some of these very high-flying, popular meme stocks that have gone up massively just in the last couple days. I want to talk about what's going on there, as well as I do want to point out the details of a previous meme stock from a couple years ago that went up massively as well, but right now it's flying under the radar. It's not really getting a whole lot of activity, but I'm watching this one very, very closely because if this one does the same thing that some of these other meme stocks are doing now and what it did a couple years ago, we could be seeing a massive, massive, massive pop in price on this thing, possibly over the coming days and weeks. Now, again, I want to point out really quickly before we get into the details about this is not financial advice. This is not trading advice. This is not investment advice in any way, shape, or form. I just have to throw that disclaimer out there. I'm not telling you to buy or sell or trade or invest. I'm not telling you anything like that, but rather I'm pointing out something that I'm seeing in the marketplace right now because I watch the financial markets very closely every single day. I have been for many, many years, and I always look for abnormalities in the market because I want to look for opportunity. Just like you, right? I mean, seriously, we all want to look for some opportunity and we all want to make some money, right? So anyway, I always try to look for things like this because we always want to be first in and we want to get out of those positions when there's a lot of profit available, right? So anyway, I want to point something out here. And again, let's quickly talk through what is going on. This is nuts yet again, right? I'm not sure about you. I love this kind of stuff. This is very fascinating to me. I love the volatility and the opportunity is what we should really be saying. Volatility equals opportunity. But seriously, a lot of cool things going on right now and a lot of wild price swings in some of these stocks. So really quickly, let's talk about what's going on with some of these meme stocks today, yesterday as well. And then in just a second here, I want to point out the details and the name of that one stock that, again, I'm watching closely, totally flying under the radar. It was up over 14% today, but still, that's not very much considering some of these other stocks that have gone up ridiculously over the last couple of days here and how much more this one could go up. It's just crazy, the opportunity that I potentially see with this thing. All right, so anyway, let's quickly talk about these few, the very popular ones. Number one, GameStop, right? Yeah, GME, right? This sucker, it went up massively yesterday. Today, it was up another 60% today alone, right? So it closed just a little bit below $49 a share. It went as high as $64 a share, and it even closed 60% higher. That's nuts, okay? That's craziness. That is absolutely nuts right there to see that happening. But again, the power of people coming in, squeezing shorts of professional traders. And what do these guys have to do? They have to cover their positions. What do they do when they cover their positions? It's a buy order, right? When somebody's covering a short position, they must buy to cover. Therefore, it's another buy order, right? So again, driving prices massively, massively higher. I would not be shocked at all to see these things running higher again over the coming days. All right, so that's GameStop, okay? Like I said, pretty cool. Pretty fun to watch that thing swing all around, all over the place every single minute today, right? Now, next, AMC, okay? This is another big one as well. Now, this was up 75% today, early on in the day, but then it actually did drop quite a bit. So it was well over $9, actually just under $10 early on in the day, and it closed at just under $7. Guess what? It was still up 31%. 31% increase of the day on AMC. Again, another big, massive short squeeze, which is super cool and really fun to watch, right? So that was another one. Now, I want to point to another meme stock from a couple years ago that we saw a lot of volatility. We saw this thing go up pretty good as well. But right now, I don't see this one going up, okay? And then after I talk about this one, I'm going to talk about that other stock that I want to bring to your attention. But Robinhood, okay? Symbol hood, right? H-O-O-D, hood, right? Anyway, my point is, this thing is trading at about $18. I don't really see this thing being driven up like what we've seen over the last couple of years here, simply because price is too high. A lot of these times when short squeezers are coming in like this with these meme stocks and big groups of people coming in driving these prices up and squeezing the short stuff like that, I just don't see it with an $18 stock. I'm just really not going to see that happen, okay? There's not enough people that have enough buying power to really do that with an $18 stock. However, with some of these other ones like GameStop, and again, that's up massively over the last couple of days here. So even though it's trading at just under $49 right now, it's been driven up massively just in the last couple of days. But my point is, GameStop, that's one as well, but then AMC as well, well under $10 a share. Again, $7, just under $7 today at closing, 31% higher. So I just don't see Robinhood being one of these that goes up massively like we've seen over the last couple of years here and with some of these other meme stocks. However, here's the golden ticket. And again, not trading advice, not investment advice. Be careful, okay? I mean, seriously, watch these things whipsaw all around. It's crazy to see the swings in these things. But this is the one that I'm watching very closely, okay? And full disclaimer, yeah, I bought a bunch of shares of this thing today, okay? I'm just being totally real with you, 100% transparent with you right here in this video. I bought a bunch of it today. So I'm into this position, okay? I'm just saying, okay? I'm not saying you should go out there and pump it up or anything like that. I don't really care. If it goes down to zero tomorrow, I don't really care. It doesn't really matter to me whatsoever, okay? That's the whole point of investing, is you can lose all your money. Fine, I don't care. It doesn't matter. It does not affect me. It doesn't matter, okay? But if it goes up, I'm going to be super happy, okay? But my point is, this is the one. Wkhs. Do you remember this one? Symbol WKHS, okay? Do you remember this one from a couple years ago? Went up massively. Guess what it's trading at right now? 20 cents. 20 cents a share, literally. That's it, okay? My point is, why I was saying earlier, why this thing could pop up significantly. How many people can come in and buy, like, I don't know, thousands of shares for not much money at all, okay? When we're talking about a stock like, I don't know, GameStop, just under $50 a share, I mean, you can get just a handful of shares for like, a few $100s. You can't get many. $300, you can get 6 shares. Who cares? That's not really much at all, right? But with this one, with Wkhs, again, WKHS, I know kind of a weird symbol there, but Wkhs with this one at 20 cents a share, you can spend, I don't know, a couple $100, $200 and get 1,000 shares. Again, if it goes up $1, one simple dollar, you just booked $1,000. You know what I'm saying here? So my point is, barriers to entry on this thing are very, very low. Now, yes, it is very low, and it potentially could go up massively. That's what I'm just simply saying. I wanted to get on this position because I thought, you know what? I'm going to watch this thing very closely. Even if it goes up, I don't know, 100%, 200%, something like that, it's a quick, easy way to like double some money pretty quickly, right? You know what I'm saying? So that's my point on this thing, okay? I just want to make it very clear. I have no idea what's going to happen with it, but I'm okay with the risk, and that's what I'm totally fine with that. With trading and stuff like that, trading, investing, whatever, I'm totally fine taking on a little bit of risk to hopefully scratch out a gain at some point, right? Now, here's the thing as well. Wkhs was up over 14% today, okay? So not bad. Again, GameStop up 60%, AMC up 31%, and Wkhs was up 14.5%. My point is, it wouldn't take all that many people to come in with, I don't know, not that much money, buy a few thousand shares or whatever it happens to be. And if this thing takes off like some of these other things, it could get a lot of momentum really, really quickly, okay? Simply because you can get, a decent amount of shares for not much money at all. That's my point behind this, okay? And again, not investing advice at all. I just want to bring this to your attention, okay? So anytime that I see opportunities, I want to share it with somebody. I mean, here's the thing. We're all into this to make money, okay? I don't think any of us go to our trading brokerages and our platforms and say, can't wait to lose a bunch of money today. Super excited to, drop $1,000 today on some bad trades. Yeah, I don't think so. I mean, maybe you are, but I'm certainly never in that mood, okay? I never want that day. Been there, done that way too many times. Don't want to relive that again, right? But again, this is kind of what I want to bring to your attention, okay? So check out any of these. Again, I would watch all these very closely over the coming days here. Of course, GameStop, GME is the symbol. AMC, again, AMC is the symbol. Wkhs, WKHS is the symbol there. These are the ones I'm going to continue watching closely, as well as a few others that are out there kind of, bouncing around a little bit. But these are the ones certainly taking the headlines, and we'll see what happens here. But I'll keep you posted. Otherwise, just continue to watch the price on this thing. and we'll certainly see what happens. But I'm very interested to see what happens. By the way, be very, very careful if you're buying or trading any of these things out there. The volatility is massive, and yeah, a lot of people get burned really, really easily here. Just please be very careful. Anyway, hope this helps you. Again, please subscribe down below if you haven't done so yet. I'll keep you posted on that Wkhs trade, and we'll see what happens here. I don't know. I'm excited to see, but we'll just have to see. Okay. Anyway, it's just like at this point, it's literally kind of just a gamble, and I'm totally fine with that. Nothing wrong with that to me. I enjoy the thrill of it. So that's just what I want to bring to your attention. So enjoy your day, and I wish you the best on this, and I will keep you posted. Subscribe down below if you haven't done so. Share the video with your friends on social media with the share button down below, and I'll catch you later.